Morning guys, and welcome to day number 11 of Vlogmas. I am absolutely exhausted. I think all the late nights and busy days have caught up on me. I was hoping to have a lay-in today and just wake up naturally as and when I'd had enough, but that didn't happen, so I am really feeling it today. I've got to go do the house decorations now and put the tree up, and then we've got a mince pie competition tomorrow at work, so I said that I would bake some mince pies, which I've already got the bits for. It's just a case of actually making them. Spoke to Rob already this morning, and he's already made me cry. There's a I think it's Great Ormond Street, it's one of the children's charities up in London, are selling stars on Oxford Street. So I think each star is £5, so it is literally a minimal donation, and you get to name the star on behalf of a loved one. So he just basically sent a link through and just said, I've now got a star. It's making me upset now. I've got a star on Oxford Street, so thanks, Rob. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to get a chance to go up and see it before Christmas, but I'm hoping to potentially get up there between Christmas and New Year. So if I do, I'll definitely vlog that day, or at least us trying to find the star. So yeah, great idea. So I think there's obviously stars available. Rob's only just done it today. So I'll leave the link down in the description if that's something that you want to do. Obviously it is literally just a £5 donation, and obviously the money makes such a huge difference, and obviously for someone that you're doing it for, obviously it's had this reaction on me, so it's such a nice thing to do. So if you can afford to do it, then by all means, yeah, click the link down in the description. But anyway, on with the tree decorations. I was hoping to do a time lapse, but the GoPro is at Rob's, so yeah, I might just set the SLR camera up and record from the corner and see how that does. So hopefully that clip will be in the next section.
It's getting cold, and I'm wondering where you are. Our little tree is glowing bright, and it's waiting for the star. Everything's wrapped up tight, and I'll stay up all the night. So hurry home, I know you're not too far. It's not the same without you. I need you here. Feels like Christmas when you're with somebody you love, you love, you love. Feels like Christmas when we sing to the stars up above, above, above. When the bells ring out and the music plays, there'll be no one here but me and you.
Right, ready? 1, 2, 3, ta-da!
Turning on the right song as we dance to flashing lights. Eat too much, the drink is gone.
Chopsticks up her bum. When do we put chopsticks up her bum? Oh, okay. Mum's had to go out of the room. So there's a bit of a story with our fairy. She's not a conventional fairy. Dad one year thought it would be good to have a bit of a joke with the Christmas tree, and ever since the fairy has been a fairy washing up liquid bottle. My nan, bless her as well, she thought it was because we couldn't actually afford a fairy and went and brought us a proper fairy, but this is the one that remained to this day. And every year since, well, most years since, we've added stuff to her. So at one point she did have a face and a halo. We added obviously the wings, and recently it looks like we've put a pair of chopsticks up her bum. What's that for? To keep her straight?
Yeah, so she stays in one place. Wouldn't you if you had chopsticks up your bottom?
She's been well behaved previous years.
I hold you close. I see magic in your eyes. It's not the same without you. I need.
Just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone who's literally just come and commented and subscribed on the channel. Hi Dad. I'm now at 601 subscribers, so yeah, shows what a little tweak can do. Just asking for a bit of help and support, and yeah, you gave me bucket loads of it, and yeah, we're now over 600 subscribers. Woo! Thank you.
Feels like Christmas when you're with somebody you love, you love, you love. Feels like Christmas when we sing to the stars up above, above, above. When the bells ring out and the music plays, there'll be no one here but me and you.
So the Christmas tree is all done, and Dan and Nicola have just quickly popped down with Jensen to show Mum the wedding photos. I was up at their house the other day when they arrived, so it was the second time of me seeing them. And we're just about to make some mince pies. So tomorrow at work we've got a mince pie competition. So yeah, starting to get all the bits out and got all the ingredients ready. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
Somebody you love, you love, you love. Feels like Christmas when we sing to the stars up above.
So because we don't normally do baking of this type, I've got loads of cupcake bits, like pastry cutters and stuff. I've borrowed my nan's cutters, so we've got the straight edged ones, then we've got crinkled edged ones. Yay!
Turning on Mariah's song as we dance to flashing lights. Eat too much, the drink is gone, and we laugh until we cry. We let everybody know that we really need some snow. When it's dark, I hold you close. I see magic in your eyes. It's not the same without you. I need you here. Feels like Christmas when you're with somebody you love, you love, you love. Feels like Christmas when we sing to the stars up above, above, above. When the bells ring out and the music plays, there'll be no one here but me and you.
So that's another Vlogmas day done. Just literally about to sit down and edit. So yeah, thanks for watching as always, guys. And yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe and feel free to like and comment using the boxes down below. Ow, just scratched myself. Yeah, lots of fun stuff planned next week, so stay tuned and see you later.